am back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be reviewing for you guys some silicone rings from the brand Enso. Enso and Octoly sent these out to me so I could try them out and review them for you guys. And to be honest with you guys, when I saw that these were silicone rings, I was very excited. Now, if you guys know when you're wearing your wedding ring or any kind of ring, if you're doing housework, if you're doing exercise or like sports, anything that is just out of the ordinary that you normally do every single day, it does tend to be a little bit hard to get used to wearing your ring. Not only that, but it is very, very uncomfortable. I have been wearing my ring for like ever, and there is times that I really wish it would be just more comfortable. I have had issues sometimes when it gets stuck on either like small tools or anything, and it hurts so bad. So when I saw that they came out with silicone rings that you could swap them out for those special occasions, I thought that was super awesome. So they sent me out this really nice kit right here. Octoly and Enso sent them out, so thank you so much for sending these out to me. So they sent out 5 of the different collections in this box. And it says, be a force for good. It does say here that they donate a portion of proceeds from every ring to organizations around the globe that are working to solve problems like hunger, diseases, and anything to protect the planet. So that I thought that was like so sweet and really awesome. So this is the inside. There is 5 of the different collections, and if you can take a look at these rings, they are adorable. You can't even really tell that they are silicone. They are super pretty, really comfortable. So I'm going to be showing you guys the first 2, which is the rose gold right here and then the black. Now these here are called the Element collection. There is rose gold and black, like I said, and then this one here, which is this beautiful pearl color. I love this one. This one here is called the Legends ring in unicorn ring, and it definitely does look like a unicorn. Let me put it on so I can show you guys how pretty this one is. It is super comfortable. Now the inside does have like little ridges which will prevent it from like slipping out, but look how gorgeous that is, and it is super comfortable. You can't even feel that you're wearing like a ring, but you still are. Isn't that awesome? So like those days that you are doing something different, that you don't want to like ruin your wedding ring in your band, you can definitely swap one of these onto your fingers and you'll be all set. You'll still have a wedding ring in a stylish way. I thought this was like super pretty. Now these are like so comfortable, super soft. They're silicone, and I love how pretty these are. Now there is also another collection. This collection is from the Stackable Ring collection, and I have these first 3 right here. Now these here have like this cute design that is kind of like a little rope design, and even though these are silicone, they are very feminine. They have like a really nice design to them. This is like a twisty rope. There is white. There's also pink sand and black. Now the middle one right here, these are gorgeous. It has like designs of little studs. These are more like in the vibrant color. There's this like hot pink, turquoise, and like really pretty coral color. These are gorgeous. And then the 3 down here on the bottom also have that cute little rope style, like the top one right here. This one here comes in gray, blush pink, and white. And these here you can stack. So you can even wear them like on top of these, or you can just wear them on different fingers. So we're gonna try out these right here. I thought these ones look super pretty, and since they are silicone, they are very stretchy, and you can really play with them and just put them on like different fingers. They definitely look super stylish. You can pair them up with any outfit. Really love this collection. Let's try out one of these rings right here that have these little studs. Look how soft they are. So here is 3 stacked together. They definitely look very pretty. There is so many colors to choose from on their website. Some of my favorite ones I would say are the stackable rings because they are stylish. You can swap out different colors just to go with your outfit, and definitely the wedding bands. I thought these were super pretty. They have these for men and they have them for women. The women ones, I must say, are very stylish. You can't even tell that these are silicone, and and they are sparkly. These are super sparkly. So let's try this one on top of the band just to see how that looks. Ooh, that looks pretty. Definitely like it. So yeah, you guys, I am so excited to share these with you guys. I know a lot of people have the same struggle. I have this struggle every single day with my rings, and I love these. I'm going to leave you guys the exact links and details on where you guys can find these Enso rings down there below. Also, make sure you guys check out my blog. I just recently updated. It looks super different. It's so much more easy to use and navigate. You will be able to find like more awesome things on my blog. So I'll leave you guys that link down there below as well. I will leave some close-up pictures of these rings so that way you guys can check them out. But I'm super excited to have these, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. Bye!